Welcome back to the Trading Roux, home of the swamp mob. Today we're unlocking phase 4 of the wolf chart, the 12 EMA cloud, the heartbeat of conviction. This is where we stop guessing if the move has power and start confirming it. What does the 12 cloud represent? 12 cloud measures strength and follow through. If the cloud is thick, that means there's conviction. If the cloud is thin, that means there's heavy exhaustion. When price rides the 12 cloud cleanly, it's called the clean walk. When price rejects the cloud, it's an earlier sign of reversal. The 12 cloud is where moves prove themselves. It tells you if the trend has muscle to continue or it's running out of breath. So in this example on Iran, as you can see, the 12 EMA cloud is the blue cloud right here. As you can see, it's already trending up. It comes down to the 12 EMA cloud and it bounces off of it, continuing the uptrend. As you can see, it retests the same 12 EMA cloud again, goes up, tests it one more time, boom, monstrous move. And as you can see, it fell through here. The cloud turned red, signaling a reversal. And then it come back to this old support, well, previous resistance, now support, and bounces off, and now the cloud is turning back blue, signaling a reversal. If we drop down to the 4 hour, it just confirms my thesis right there. You can see reverse right here, boom, pop back up, blue cloud. And if from the previous lessons, when you see a inverse arc like this, that's your early entry right here. You possibly could have caught this move here and traded it up here. So there you go. Reading cloud behavior. Typically the WTMA should be above the cloud if it's in a bullish setup, or below the cloud if it's a bearish setup. That equals controlled trend zone. All right, you got a cloud flip color like we showed in the example. It's a potential phase of a transition. So like as you can see, we're typically in an uptrend right here. And when it flipped red, everything below the cloud was red. So there was a downtrend, a temporary downtrend, till it caught a support. Then it flipped back blue here, detecting a continued uptrend on the macro scale. So when the cloud is flat, prepare for consolidation or reset. Go ahead and go here. This is where the cloud is flat at. As you can see, very minimal trading range. So it'll typically bounce up and down, up and down, up and down until it starts to expand. And also, like I said in the example, you want to stack your confirmations. So you definitely want a WTMA crossover paired with a floating candle with 12 cloud support. So in this example on the daily, as you can see, we don't have all of those right here on the bounce. So this is what you would do. You would drop down maybe to the 4 hour. Here you go. So we drop it on the 4 hour. So here's a crossover, an inverse arc with a lock candle. As you can see, it bounced on this support and retested the 12 EMA and then continued to drop. And then if you want to play that back on the upside, you have an inverse arc right here with the floating candle. And here you go. Here's the up move. So now this thing could possibly go to like 69.30 easily without restriction. The 12 EMA cloud separates emotional traders from disciplines. When others panic at pullbacks, we check the cloud. If it's intact, the move isn't over. If this helped you read power like a pro, drop learn in the comments or join us inside the Trading Roux. The link is in the bio or in the description. That's where the swamp mobs break down real confirmations together every week. Until next time, trade with your eyes and not emotions. Peace.